everyone, it's Carly here, and today with me I've got the Wonder Skin Wonder Blading Lip Stain Mask. I'm really nervous to try this, but I'm so excited. Bigger, fuller lip. I'm gonna try that too, and we'll see how it goes. Oh man, it's blue. What? How does this work? I'm just gonna give it about 2 minutes. Actually, I love this blue. I mean, I wish this was just blue lipstick. This looks so pretty. Wow, okay, I like blue lipstick. But yeah, so you just leave it on for like a few minutes and then you wipe it off with a damp cloth. So I'm gonna leave it for about 2 minutes. It says, touch up free color that won't budge, keeps lips soft and hydrated for hours. So let's see, I'm gonna give this about 2 minutes, wipe it off and see what it looks like. My bottom lip's messed up because my lips have been really cracked and dry lately, so I think it just kind of got in all that, and it looks a little extra dark there. But if my lips weren't like that and were normal right now, I love this. I mean, I love the color that it gave my top lip, and it looks like really smooth because my top lip's not dry and cracked like the bottom one is. So yeah, I think this looks great. I'm gonna put a little gloss on it today because of my bottom lip and that situation. But all in all, I mean, I think it looks so good. This is the Wonder Skin. I mean, it's a little darker than the color that was advertised, but I expected that. I'm really not shocked by that. So maybe that's the only con, is that it does come out a little darker than the one that's on the packaging. But all in all, I think it looks beautiful. It added some extra color to my lips without that heavy feeling of lipstick, which can get really annoying, especially like when I'm going out and eating and stuff like that. But overall, I love this. This is the Wonder Skin lip stain mask, so I highly recommend it. If you want an everyday color, definitely get the lighter color and just wear it for less time. I had mine on for about 2 minutes. So maybe 1 minute is all you need to achieve this color. But regardless, I think it's beautiful. I'm gonna pop on some gloss now and enjoy.